Hello guys, this is Suleiman with another video. So we have a very beautiful birthday wish for your platform. So let me show you what we have exactly first of all. So we have a multi-step, and on this step we need to catch some hearts like that, and then a gift for you. Just tap on the box. So we have a message and the animation. On the next step we have an option to candle flame to blow it out. Just click here, blow candle, just blow it out, and then we have a message, and then we can just like replay it. Now I will show you the code. So we are using a tailwind css for it. You can use simple css as well. I have some classes for simple css, and I use some classes from tailwind. Okay, so first of all, if you want to change the background, you can change the background from there. Okay, you want to change the font family, you can change the font family from there. And then we have a heart animation. You can if you want to change the color of heart, you can just change from there, like whatever you want to put. For example, if I just put a black here, just save it. Let me refresh it. You can change the position as well. Okay, so you can change animation of heart from there as well, like transform y, x, or rotate, something like that. And then we have a sparkle class, keyframes, steps. Like you can have each and everything in the form of css here. And then we have content html. You can change the messages from there. For example, you want to change this one, the first line, you can just put it here, giant, save it, a giant surprise for you, like that. Okay, you can change according to your needs. And then other messages same, like that, like that. You can change the messages as well. Okay, and then we have some kind of a js that helpful for events like curious sector, get element by id. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching.